Yo, welcome. Welcome to part 12 of building a Yippee mobile game. Yeah, should be pretty nice this stream. Yeah, so last time we were building out some more of the shop. Mostly like button stuff, like making the buttons look a bit nicer, moving some stuff around. Yeah, I think this time we're going to be really honing in on the skins view in the shop, so that the players can buy some nice Yippee skins. Yeah, it should be pretty good. Might do a little squashing of the bugs as well. Some gameplay bugs that we still need to address. Is like quite a bit. Yeah, should be pretty nice. But yeah, why not get into it, shall we? Without any further ado, let's check it out. Oh yeah, also I added some assets off stream. Yeah, here are those assets. So I made so these were in the shop, like these two triangles for like navigating between different like upgrades. But they had like a little stroke around them that was kind of hard to see, so I just got rid of that. So basically replaced the assets here. And then I added these no and yes buttons. So like this will be for when you want to purchase something, you can like choose whether to buy it or not. You like click it and then you have the option to like cancel or go through with it. And then I made this like repressed rupee image for like when you press the button, the rupee on the button should get darker. Yeah, so those are the stuff I added off stream. Also, I'm gonna check the audio again. I think it's good. I might turn the Pokemon music down just ever so slightly. Yeah, let me double check. Okay, I think it's alright. Yeah, okay. I'm okay with this. Alright. Yeah, so let's get back into the shop where we were last time. Oh, also, I always like to pin my Yippee link to give some context on what a Yippee is. So I'm gonna do that. Yes, this is a Yippee. Yippee! Alright, let's check out our shop. See where we were actually left off last time. Oh yeah, sorry about all our stream cut out like 3 times last time. I think because of the internets. So I think it should be a little better today. It was like storming and it's not anymore, so that should be alright, I'm thinking. Fingers crossed. I don't want to jinx it. Alright, so here's where we were last time. Yeah, so that new triangle button looks kind of better, I think. Yeah. So, yeah, we added the bat and the ray gun as well to the shop. As different, like, upgrades. So that's pretty nice. And we moved this ruby on the side over to the right. It used to be in the middle for this gems view, where you can, like, buy your gems. Cool. Yeah, so one thing I want to do is when you press this button, you see how the ruby doesn't really get darker? I want it to get darker when you press this button. So let me do that, and then I think once I fix that, I can work on this skins view for like buying different skins. Yeah, it should be pretty good. So let us do that. And actually, well, I might, because I also added this like yes and no button. I might do that before going on to the skins view. Like if you click on to buy something in the shop, it should pop up with the little view saying like, are you sure you want to buy it? And I can do like yes or no or something. Something like that, I'm thinking. Yeah, let's probably do that after doing this ruby, making the ruby darker. Yeah, so let's work on the dark ruby. Yes. And that should be in this highlightable button struct. I added this like background image pressed. Now we need one for the foreground image. So foreground image pressed. And then we shall do that here. So I don't know if this is actually a required field I should do. Nah, this should be optional. So let's say foreground image pressed URL is a string. That's optional. Foreground image pressed. There we go. And then I shall put it here. Yes. That'll work. And then let's see, where did I handle the pressed image? Like here. So let me do that for this one. Yeah. Say let foreground image pressed URL equal a UI image named that. That should be good. Let resized foreground pressed image equal foreground. Oh, actually, it should be a pressed image. I think so. Oh, no, I didn't make the image actually. Let me say let foreground image pressed equal a UI image with this. Now I can do this. Resized foreground image pressed equals this. Cool. And now I can do this handler stuff. Yeah, so I guess instead of background configuration handler, I can call it like, okay, I see. There's a little problem here. In that we might not always have a whatchamacallit, a foreground image. So, let me set this outside of here then. Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, so for this, actually, I need to update this. So it should be this. Or actually, yeah, this. Oh, bro, this music is quiet. I think it's just this particular track. Let me double check. Oh yeah, I think it's better. Cool. I think it's a little better now. Cool. All right. Now let's see what we want to do. I think this is fine. Yeah, so we just need to set this. Yeah. So, how do we need to pull it out of this little function here. And put it in... I guess we can combine these if statements or something. Yeah, I suppose. And change this from background configuration handler to... like, configuration handler. Yeah, that way it's more generic. And we'll set the things here. And so, okay, how do we want to go about this? I suppose. Yeah, okay, I need like references to this somewhere. Ideally, I want to have like this and this available. And the foreground image too. What to do? I gotta change this code somehow to support that. Let's think. Let's put on our thinking caps and our thinking emoticons, yes. So I only want to do this once. Like configuration handler equals something. So ideally, I need to either put this code inside here or take this code out of here and put it like here somewhere. But if I took it out, then I don't have this. Okay. Is background image optional? It's not, right? So I don't even need this if let, right? Because that's not even... It's never gonna be nil. Because it's always present. Like a background image is required. So let me do this. I'll do this. I'll take out all this if statement stuff. Like if let this. Yeah. I don't need that. Unless it's because it would make it optional. Oh wait, this is a foreground. I need to do it for the background. Yeah. Let's take out this background stuff. And just keep this all on the same line. Alright. Yeah, I did think I need to force unwrap this. Yeah. Okay. That's alright. And then... what else? We can keep this. We can keep that, I think. Oh no, actually no. Probably not. Well, we can move this inside here, is what I'm thinking. Yeah. Let's try that. So now we have our foreground image inside here. Yeah. Inside this handler thing. Do we want it inside there? I wonder. Seems like a weird place to put it, though. Yeah, because then if this is cold, it's gonna keep creating this. Yeah, we don't want that, actually. I don't think. Okay. Okay, let me... Maybe we do want it in there, but I feel like that would make it super laggy. I'm trying to think how I would want to actually do this. Let me take out all this commented out code I'm not using. Make it a little easier to see. Yeah, also I'm gonna double check the audio again. Oh yeah, I'm gonna turn this down a bit. Is that better? I think it's alright. Alright, so... what to do here? Yeah, I want to call this after. Like here. And so what I guess I can do is... I do think I want this code inside here. I just worry that it'll be creating a bunch of images, like every time, which isn't always needed. I could pass in the image instead of the URL. Or what I could do is I could maybe init it inside the init. I could do that. Yeah, that way it's not... okay, wait, but then... I don't want to create like the UI image like more than once, because that's not very optimal. I got an idea. Here's what I'm gonna do. So var foreground image equals, or it will be a type of UI image, optional. This will be nil. Var foreground image pressed via an optional UI image. And then I'll say this. I'll just set it here. Yeah. I think so. Now it's like... resize optional must be... unwrapped. Okay. Yeah, this should be fine. I think... oh. Oh, okay, yeah. This should be alright. Cool. So... yeah, now I can do this. Like, if foreground image does not equal nil, and foreground image pressed does not equal nil, I guess it would just be the foreground image pressed. Or, yeah. Background configuration.image equal resize BG image. Ooh, is that even right? Oh, highlighted should be this. Oh, I think I got these backwards. Right? This, pressed and regular. Oh yeah, this is backwards. Okay. Alright. Now I can do this. I can check if the pressed image is not nil. Then I can set configuration. Whatchamacallit? What did I do? I said configuration dot image equals foreground image pressed. And then this. Or I need the resized image, actually. So this would be foreground resized. Oh, okay. Actually, then in that case, this variable should be the resized. I can say let here. This is var. Or, yeah. I think so. And then, yeah, I'll check if this is nil. And then if resized fg image does not equal nil, do this. Cool. I think that's good. This is good. Yeah, that way I'm only making the image once here, instead of every time this is called, which should be less. It should make the app faster a little bit. Yeah. Utilize less resources. Cool. So now I kind of I need to do the same thing here. Okay. Yeah. How do I want to do this? Yeah, let me get rid of all this commented out code. Makes it a little easier to see things. Alright. So... Oh, I have a constant here. This should be... what should this be? This should be button padding. So for foreground image, I said button padding with no text. I need this condition. Here. I'm wondering really if I need any of this code in here. Maybe. I'll just keep it for now. Yeah. I can take this out. Cool. Yeah, I think I can just copy from here up to here and stick it basically where this is. Actually, even up to here. Yeah. I think so. Indeed. Alright, I think we're good. Now let's see how this looks. Let's see. That's in our shop view, but in our game view. Oh, our button's invisible again. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We did an oopsie somewhere. Let's see. The background image isn't getting set. Let's see. Resized BG image. Like this should be getting called. I must have commented out something I shouldn't have. Oh, yeah, this. Okay. Yeah, instead of doing this, I think so. Oh, and actually there's even more logic I need. This like black and white stuff. Okay. Yeah, okay. There's a couple things we missed. Let's see, so I need this. And probably that. I need to do this. Must be unwrapped. Let's see, did I can do this. Alright. Yeah, I need the same thing here. Background equals background configuration. Okay. Ooh, okay, I think instead of... Oh, I see. I see what I need to do. Instead of this, I can just say configuration here. Or what did I call it? I called it... Yeah, configuration. And then... I need to set... Yeah, I need to do this configuration dot like UI view dot configuration equals configuration. All right. Yeah, this is like pretty kind of a bit spaghetti-ish. It's starting to encroach on spaghetti levels of code. But I think we're doing okay. Yeah, I do need this though. Instead of wherever I'm setting the background. Yeah, I think it's here. Yeah. So I need to do this. And then... Yeah, this needs to be... Oh, I think... Okay. I need this. Here. Yes, this will be good. Alright. And then... Background configuration image. I don't think we need this. Right? Oh no, this needs to be updated. Updated BG image. I feel like we can definitely put this in a function. Yeah, like set background and foreground image. And maybe even the title too. I guess this is all like duplicated code. Maybe I'll do some refactoring off stream, perhaps. Let's see. So for this, I will... what thing do I need to set here? This should be updated, pressed. And... what else? I guess I need a black and white version of the foreground image, right? I think so. So I need to do this logic for the foreground image as well. So... yeah. Let me call this updated. Yeah. And then I'll just set it here. And this can be foreground image size. And then the pressed foreground image. Yeah. And we don't need this. Oh, this should be updated foreground image. Cool. I think that's good. Oh, looks like we have some optionals. I think we can force unwrap this. Yeah. And then, oh, here as well. Or maybe actually we can force unwrap here. Cannot find updated foreground image pressed. All right. That's good. And then this should be updated foreground image pressed. And this should be updated foreground image. What else are we missing? Background configuration image. This should be updated BG image. This should be updated BG image pressed. I think so. Oh, actually this should be background. No, updated BG pressed image. Oh, I see what I did there. This should be image pressed probably. My naming is a bit off. Yeah, okay. And then this should be updated foreground image. And this should be updated foreground image pressed. Okay. Yeah, that was a lot of changes. I'm not sure if this will work, but well, yeah, we can see. Uh-oh, not quite. Let's see, what are we missing? So UI view configuration, or setting. We're also setting the background configuration. Did we comment out anything important? Maybe. Let's see. We set the image. Let's take a gander. So, what are we missing, perhaps? We have our configuration background set. UI view.configuration. Oh, wait. Configuration background. Oh, this should be UI view.configuration.background. I think so. I think that should at least set the background for the default state. Yeah, okay, we have our background back. But our foreground image is missing. Okay. So what's going on with our foreground image? Let's see. We can do some prints, I guess. Print updated FG image pressed. Updated FG image pressed dot. I guess I can just print that. See if it's nil. Same here. I can do for updated FG image. Cool. Now let's see. It is nil. Ah, that's good. That means we can find out where it's not being set. So this is where it's nil. So it should be getting set in here. Unless one of these isn't true. Oh, right. We need to update the parameters we're passing in to actually have a pressed foreground image. Yeah, we weren't doing that. So let's update what we're passing in. So that would be for which buttons? For this one, right? The select weapon view. I think here. Yeah, this should be foreground image pressed URL. Ruby pressed. Now let's see if it picks it up. Oh, I need a comma. Oh, it's a bit big. I think maybe it accidentally took the background image somewhere. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking happened. I think I might have done a copy-paste bug somewhere. So, yeah, here it is. I need to make this foreground size. Now let's check back. Okay. And now our background image is like gone. Whoa. I have a feeling I know why. I think when this gets called, it overrides the background configuration. So I think I need to call this at the end. I think so. Or, what could I do? I could set this at the end, like all the time. And then I could say this. Yeah, I think I can just do that. Yeah, like this. I think that'll work. So if I go to our upgrades view, let's take a gander. Oh, now we have no buttons. Uh-oh. What could be happening there? UI view configuration equals this. Wait, what did I get rid of? UI configuration dot background. Oh, I guess I can do this. Configuration dot background equals this, and then set the image, and then set the actual configuration. Yeah, I think so. Now let's see if this works. Okay, we have our image back. Ah, yeah, that worked. Cool. Very nice. We have our ruby getting darker when we press it. That was kind of the main change we wanted. Yeah, that was quite... Yeah, that was a bit gross. I'll be honest, that was a bit gross. But I think we're good now. I think we do probably want to make a function for this though. Because this code is basically copied up here. For the most part. Actually, I will refactor that in here. Because that's... I don't want to confuse myself if I ever want to use this file in future projects. Yeah. So I will make a function here. Like private func set background, foreground, and title. Background and foreground images and title. And so just like basically I can just copy this, or because there's also UI view.configuration, which is not... I guess I can make this optional. I can pass this in as an optional parameter. But then... Nah, I'll do this later. There's some nuances to it. Yeah, because I'm looking at... There's also this is enabled stuff, which I'm not doing here. I might not be able to directly make a function for it. Yeah. But for now, this is good. This is good. Yeah, all because SwiftUI doesn't really support some stuff. We kind of have to make our own button from scratch, basically. Yeah, out of UIKit and do some stitching of the things on it. This is good. Alright, so the next thing I wanted to do was when you click this, it'll bring up a little pop-up to, well, whatchamacallit, like confirm your purchase or not. Because I don't want it to, like, you click this and then you automatically lose your gems and buy it, which isn't, you know, that's not very PogChamp, I would say. It's very un-Pog. Yeah, so let me work on another view for confirming your purchase. So I'll say like a new SwiftUI view, confirm purchase pop-up. Yeah. So for this, we'll start off with our classic changing the orientation for this. Yeah. Cool. And then what we'll do here is, I suppose we can have some closures for when you click yes or no. It's like var, what will this be? Yes action. This can be a closure. No action. Yeah, I think this is good. What else will we have? Oh, it's a capital N we don't want. And then we'll also pass in, I don't know if we want to do a size. Maybe. Maybe. Probably, actually. Maybe. I don't know. Nah, I won't pass in a size then. Maybe we can use Geometry Reader. Perhaps. Or how am I doing everything else though? I think everything else I'm passing in a size. Yeah, I'm passing a size here. And like here. I mean, I suppose might as well. Yeah. Yeah, so this is not needed anymore. This is my experimentation on like scrolling. Yeah. So let me pass in a size. Confirm purchase pop-up size. This will be a CG size. Or maybe I just say view size, or I think it's fine. Yeah, we need to pass all this in here. Just do like a empty closure for now. And this will be this will be UI screen dot main dot bounds dot width divided by 2. There we go. That should get rid of our errors. Now, here's what we'll do. I'll make a rounded rect. I'll first make a Z-stack to contain everything. And then I want to do what I did for the actual shop view. So I made this BG. And then what else did I do? I want to get this like yellow rectangle background that I had. I think it was this. So in my shop tab view, I think that's where I need to look. Yeah, rectangle, and I did this corner radius stuff. Yeah, that's what I want. Yeah, I'll do this. Yeah. I got a lot of commented out code. Where should this be? This should be here. Yeah, let me add the thing in here. I'll do this. Oh, maybe content size is a better parameter name. Yeah. I can't find tab corner radius. Ooh, okay. I guess we'll pass that in too. Yeah, I think so. Or did we? I'm curious. So this is for tabs, actually. I forget, where do we do this yellow background? On shop tab button. Oh, this is the tabs, I think. Tab names. Bro, this music gives me a lot of nostalgia. This is Gen 6. Snowbell City. Very cool. It's a bit loud though. I'm gonna turn it down a bunch. Cool. Alright, so what to do here? Instead of, yeah, tab corner. I don't know if I should pass in a quarter radius here. Yeah, this is just for the tab view that we did that. But on the actual shop view, did we do like a rounded rect? I feel like we did. Yeah, I think I'm okay with doing a rounded rect instead of this like rectangle with the corner stuff. Yeah, I'll do a rounded rectangle with the corner radius. And we'll just pass in our own corner radius here. I lied. I'm gonna make this a float. I'm gonna pass it in. Yeah. I think that'll be good. Now I just need to pass this in here. Let's see what we get. We get our yellow, our thingy. Maybe I can increase this 30. That's alright. And then I also wanted a V-stack with some text. So I'll put like some text here. Text. And then I wanted some buttons at the bottom. So let me yoink some buttons from some other view. Kind of like the start button, actually. So let me go to the start view and yoink that one. Like the play button. Yeah. How about that? This should be H-stack. These two buttons. Oh, I suppose I need to pass his iPad as well. Yeah. We can do that here. And then this will be yes, so we'll put yes action. This will be the no action. Alright. And then we can call this, whatchamacallit? Oh, it also needs a size. Now this will be based off of the, okay. Yeah, we take out this, and we'll put content size dot width divided by 2. Maybe. Same for here. And content size dot height for this. Content size dot height divided by, let's say 3. Or 2, 4. I don't know. Maybe that's good. Oh my gosh, this mystery dungeon music. Alright. So if it's an iPad, I want it to be bigger, right? So maybe like divide by 3 here. And we'll just copy this over here. And what else are we missing? I guess, yeah, we need the same thing down here. So, there we go. And same thing here. Cool. I think our stuff should go away. Alright. Yes, our buttons are a bit wide. Let's make this a 3. That should be okay. Oh wait, actually, yeah, we need this here as well. Cool. Yeah. And then of course this should say a no button. And then What else? No button pressed. So let's put this all on their own line. It's a bit confusing otherwise. There we go. And this should be the yes button. Uh-oh. Alright. Our preview crashes every time it tries to rename this. Alright. Yeah, now this is good. Actually, maybe I should have made this darker. I could make the background darker though. I could definitely do that. Like make this dark yellow. That way it's a bit... I feel like it's too dark though. What's in between those two yellows? Like in between light and dark yellow. Let me check my constants. Maybe I can pull a color online. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna get some RGB slider somewhere and try and see what's a good thingamajig. Yeah. Let me see. So I have this as the dark yellow. So I'm gonna look online. Let me see. So we have 204 for red. And then 148.26. Okay. I'm testing some things out. Let's see. So if I wanted a lighter variant of this. I found a nicer color, I think. I'm just gonna call this medium yellow. Let's say medium yellow is a color. We'll say blue and green and the red. There we go. Cool. And now let's see what this looks like. Ooh, it's a little I don't know. That's a little gross looking, I feel. It's a little, yeah. I'm gonna try a different shade. Yeah, I have another color. Yeah. Let me try something else. Actually, I'm gonna refer the other yellow we had. So which was this one? We had 185.32. 185.32. Yeah. I'm gonna try and get like a darker version of that. Maybe 227, 165.30. Okay. 227, 165.30. It's like slightly darker. Let's see. Okay, I think this is better. That way you can see these buttons more clearly, I think. Yeah. And then what I want to do here is like, would spend blank or like purchase I guess so we need some name here. So I need to pass this in. Vars, item to purchase name. And then we'll say like, oh, what would this be? Yippee. Cosmic Yippee. Purchase. Item to purchase name for. And then, okay. Yeah, here's what, actually, how would I want to do this? Like, I want to also include a Ruby in this text. Include image in text, SwiftUI. Insert images in text. Ooh, I can do something cool. I can do something kind of cool. Oh, I like this actually. Yeah, I'm gonna show what I'm looking at. It's kind of cool. What SwiftUI allows with this text stuff. Let me show this. Oh wait, that's not what I was looking at. It's here. Here's what I was looking at. You can do like this plus stuff. So I can do like, hello, Star World. Because what I want to do is like, purchase Cosmic Yippee skin for 20 rubies. But instead of saying rubies, I want to put the image of a rupee. So I can do something like this. That should look pretty cool, huh? Yeah, I think so. And then... oh, you can put parentheses around them to control where the styling is. Interesting, because I want to make like the Cosmic Yippee bold. Like that text bold. And all the other ones kind of non-bold. I think I'll do something like this. Yeah. That's cool. That is cool. Yes, let me do this. So, yeah, what did they say? It was like, so I want to do text, and then I want to have bold text. So plus some bolded text. This will be item to purchase. Add some modifiers to that. So system, I guess like a font weight, semi-bold. I was like semi-bold. Purchase Cosmic Yippee. Plus text for plus text image they said you could stick in here, like image Ruby. Oh, do they not? Maybe you can't do system image, or can't do custom images. That's a bit awkward. That's a little awkward. How to do this? Yeah, I don't want system images though. I'm checking online. Looks like you can only do like system image. System name. I might have to do an H stack. Okay. That's a bit disappointing. Okay. That's alright though. I'll just use an H stack. Yeah, and we'll do this. Image, Ruby, resizable. I guess the frame will be, width will be content size dot width divided by like, it's like 16 or something, like a pretty small. And then we'll do the same for the height. Yeah, something like this. Oh wait, actually, we need the price too. So, we need to pass in a price. Item to purchase, or like I guess I can say price is an int. We pass in the price, say like 30. What can we say here? How about this? And then question mark. I think so. Would that be good? And I guess we can just resize this to be smaller. Yeah. All right. And I want to push the buttons to the bottom. So let me put a spacer then here. Oh. Uh-oh. Why is that? Uh-oh. I think our rounded rect is bigger than this. I guess I can put this frame on here as well. Or on the Z stack, actually. Right? Yeah. I don't need this. Cool. And now we can put some padding on our buttons, or on our H stack actually. Padding, bottom, say like 30. Yeah. Cool. All right. And then I do want some padding above, I guess. Kinda like, or a spacer rather. And push the text down. And then I need the font size to be bigger. Let me decrease this width actually, just to see how this looks. Oh, I see. Okay, so if I did that, then the ruby doesn't get put on the same line. Yeah, that's what I was kind of worried about. Okay. How to do this better? Let me also decrease the height a little bit. Okay. I feel like that's too small though. I want it to be a little bigger. Yeah, maybe back to like 3.5 or something. What did I have it at? It was like 3? I can do this if it's all on the same line. But then Let's see, so... How to do it better? Maybe I can put the 430 or whatever, like on its own line. Kind of like... have a V stack and then separate out some things. I'll make this a V stack. And then I will put this in its own H stack. Yeah. And then I guess I can say this is spacing 0. Or like spacing of 5. Okay. I think it's a little better. I just want to increase the font size and stuff. So let's say font is font.system. Yeah, how did I pass in the font before? Let's take a look over at the, did we do that anywhere? Oh yeah, we did here. Font.system with the size. Yeah. So font.system, we'll say this like 32. Yeah. Oh, I see what's going on here. Yeah, I need this. Or I can put this in parentheses and it'll apply it to everything here. Yeah, there we go. Oh, but I don't want the purchase to be bold. Okay. Then I could do this. Can do something a little weird. Here's what I'm gonna do. There we go. Yeah. Now... so can I not, like, do this? Like the plus? I guess not. It looks like it's only allowing, like, system image here. Let me test our theory. So... yeah, because I guess I can't really put a text, an image inside text. Oh, wait, I can. Wait a minute. Wait a second. Oh, okay. Wait, this is better. Hold on, let me comment this out and redo this a different way. I didn't know you could do that. So this space stack, okay. Yeah, I suppose if I can do that, then I can just like do something like this. Let me redo this. Text should be purchase, and then plus text image Ruby. Oh, so it did the ellipses, that's why. That's why we weren't seeing it before. Oh, okay. This is good. Purchase requires this conform to string protocol. Uh-oh. I think as soon as we put the frame on it, it didn't like it. Image. Text. It doesn't like frame? Oh, it doesn't. Okay. Really? That's a little unfortunate. Yeah, okay. Also, I'm gonna switch the music over to this comp. A little... Yeah, the sound on the other one was a bit weird. Let's see, is this better? Ooh, sorry you heard that. I'm like... I gotta... knocking around my other headset. Alright, so I need to set a frame on this image. Somehow. How to do that? Overlay. I'm gonna look this up. I'll show you what I'm looking at. Here we go. So I want to put an image inside the text. Here we go. The font will change the type of image. Okay. So you can't adjust the image based off of the frame. It's by font size? Wait, so if I did this, would it change the image size? Okay, if I put the resizable out. Nah. Oh, I was still showing the other one. SF symbols. I don't want to use SF symbols though. I want my Ruby. Oh, this isn't a custom image. Oh, I have an idea actually. What if I did this? I put the frame on here. Like frame width Or whatever we did this. Uh-oh, too small, but if we did this... Ah, yeah, we still don't see the ruby. Okay. Yeah, I thought maybe we could do it, but... Oh yeah, let's look at this one. Yeah, this was with the SF symbols. Let's see. So, what to do? Yeah, I also have custom images. Insert other views into text. An image made from an SF symbol. Luckily, SF symbols... I don't want to use that though. UI image. Yeah, okay. Maybe I can try that. Because 44 by 44 is like... That's okay. Yeah. Maybe I can try this. Or just make like a small version of the Ruby just for the text. Like separately off stream. So what did they say? They said UI image. I suppose I would just say like image. Take out the resizable here. Let me try this. Yeah, I saw it before where it like took the image in our text. Which was here, I think. Or actually no. It was somewhere else. Where do we do this? How about... Yeah, let me try that UI image thing that person suggested. So I do like image. UI image. I guess I make a UI image system or like named the Ruby. Yeah. I don't know if that'll work. Let me force unwrap. Ah, no, still not showing. I feel like it's because our image is too big. Do I have any small images? Maybe the ray gun? Not quite. Okay. I guess I'll just do this. Yeah. I think this is a decent approach for the time being. Maybe just make the font a bit smaller. 22. I suppose. Yeah, I think that's okay. Maybe I can make the whole thing smaller. Like... Yeah, if I made the height smaller. I think that's okay. Yeah. That's alright. Cool, cool, cool. I just worry that on other phone sizes it'll like mess the text up a bit, I think. This is okay for now. Now we can do... what can we do? When we click the button, we want that view to show up. So... where's that? So when we click like this button, we want it to show up. And eventually a skins button. Yeah. So if I click this, then what should I get? I should get that pop-up to show up. So where would that be? I want it to show up like on the overall shop view. So I want like a variable maybe then to control when that button is clicked. Yeah. So I'd have to pass that down to the shop tab view, and then, yeah, okay. Yeah, that would be a bit awkward. Let's see, so where to do this? Here's our shop tab view. And we'd want to pass in some state variable like upgrade pressed or something, I guess. Yeah. So, what to do? How about, yeah, okay. I suppose I'll do something like that. Well, first let's create this little pop-up and have it show up on our shop view, but like hidden until some button has been pressed. So let's see, but then we need to pass the data up, don't we? Okay. Yeah. And also I want that for this view too. Oh wait, our Ruby is missing here. Oh, we need to add that back to our gems view. We need to add foreground image pressed. And we'll call this Ruby pressed. There we go. We got our Ruby back. Cool. Very nice. And we can scroll. What else do we need? Yeah, so... how about... what to do? So... I suppose I could, yeah, I don't know if I want the view on top of this or not. I think so. I think so. So... how about... what to do. I should be able to show it like in the sub view, I feel. Like in each of the select and skins view and gems view. Or are these 3? I'm actually gonna make some new groups as well. Shop. I'll call it like shop tab or shop tabs. So it'll be like these 3. And then let's see. Shop tab view components. And we'll put that. It's a bit more organized. Yeah, I think so. And then, yeah, because like each of these 3, we want the pop-up. So how about, let's see. Oh wait, I think, yeah, I do need a select pressed image. Did I make one? I wonder. Select pressed. I'm gonna check. Let me see. Select button. I didn't. Yeah, I do need to add that later though. We'll add it later. But for now, I can do the whatchamacallit. The purchase view thing. Cool. So I'll put like a Z stack around this. Actually, not around this whole thing. Around this. Yeah. Because this is the actual upgrades view. And then I can say like if press the button or something, then show the pop-up. Yeah. That should be fine. Yeah, I think so. So we'll pass in a state variable. We'll call it @state var did press purchase. That should be a bool, that's false. Then we can pass in our pop-up. We'll have to do this stuff. And then the content size will be our upgrades view size dot, I guess it will say CG size, upgrades view size dot width divided by 2, and then height divided by 2, corner radius, I think. Yeah, did we need that? Oh yeah, we did. We passed in 1 of 30. I guess we can change that later. Item to purchase will be... Oh, okay, yeah. This is where we'll need to get the weapon that we're wanting to purchase. So... Let me just put some strings for now and think about how I want to do this later. Yeah. Alright. So... what to do? I'll make the opacity of this dependent on the did press purchase. Yeah. So if I didn't press the purchase, the opacity should be 0. So the opposite though. So did press purchase is false. Which means I should have 1 opacity. Oh yeah, that should be opposite. Cool. And let's just set it to true for testing. Yeah, so... Let's see. Oh, now we can adjust the size how we see fit. So let's make it a little less wide. Like 3? And then... Or 2.5. And then... I do kind of like 3 a little bit. I think 2.5 is okay. Doesn't need to be too big. Maybe this can be 2.3. That's okay. I think. Yeah. I think so. And then... Let's see, what do I want to do? How about... So I need to know what purchase thing to pass here. Like price and item to purchase name. So how do I get these details? They're from here. Yeah, so I suppose what I can do is I can say at state var weapon pressed is a weapon details. We'll just put in some random details here. Power 1, purchased false, selected false, cost 0. And then here we'll say weapon pressed name, weapon pressed price. Cool. Yeah. How about it? I think this should be good. All right. Cool. I'm trying to like fix this spacing. It's a bit a bit odd. Oh yeah, we need the binding. I can't convert binding. Uh-oh. Do I need those to be binding? I wonder. Do I? I think so, yeah. Let me make them binding then. And I'll need to pass them like dot constant here. Yeah. Alright. I think that's okay. Oh, can I not? Do I need the dollar sign? Uh-oh. Do I need like dot value or something? Wrapped value. Okay. Yeah, hopefully this is good. And then... Okay. No dynamic member price. Hold on. What are we missing here? No dynamic member price using keypad. Let me see. Also, our music is a little loud. I'm gonna lower it. Okay, I think it's okay now. Alright, so... what to do here? No dynamic member price using keypad from root type weapon details. Oh, because I put cost actually. Cool, I think it's good now. Alright. Uh-oh, the name is gone though. Oh yeah, because I did, I'll say cosmic. I'll say slingshot. Just for testing. Yeah. Now I need to get this variable somehow. So... I suppose what we can do is... Okay, so this variable should be updated based on whatever button they press in the column views. So let me pass it as a variable here in the column view. Yeah. I suppose. What's this? So, weapon pressed. Weapon details. Yeah. Alright. I can pass in our weapon pressed. Yeah. Okay. I think that's good. All right. That's okay. And now, here we'll say, I suppose we'll say weapon pressed equals, weapon details list of weapon detail index dot, or yeah, just this. Cool. And then I think we need to say like pass in the variable for did press purchase. So we'll pass that into did press purchase. Did press purchase. We'll pass that here. Cool. And yeah, we need to pass this here. This should be a bool. Cool. And then if we do this, we'll say did press purchase equals false. All right. Now let's see how this looks if I set this to false. And then if I click this, there we go. How's that? And look, it's even updating the name and the price. Cool. Very cool. Now, one thing I'm worried about is if I press both of them. Do I want this functionality? I think so. I think that'll be kind of cool. Nah, actually, no. I think if I... well... when do I want to dismiss this? Like if they click one of the arrows and I want to dismiss it, I think. Yeah. So... navigate arrow button... false. And then same here. Yeah, so now if I press it and I click the arrow, it'll go away. I think that makes more sense. Cool. I feel like the font needs to be bigger. Yeah, I do think so. Maybe I can pass in the custom font size. Do I? Maybe. Maybe. This is cool. I gotta fix this spacing. My OCD is a bit... I gotta fix this. Yeah, it's off by like one space and I'm like, no thank you. There we go. A bit better. Cool. I think this is good. Maybe I'll do the yes button later, because this involves like deducting from their current balance, and we don't have the code yet for their balance. So yeah, we'll do the yes button later. But for now, this is good. I think this is good. Yeah. And then maybe I want to do the same kind of pop-up for like the in-app purchases. Like purchase this many rubies for this many dollars or something. I guess I would need a different view for that though. Yeah. Because I don't know if I can just like modify this view for that. Maybe. Also, I want to be like a transition animation when it pops up. Right now, it's kind of just flashbanging the user. I kind of want it to like, can do, I think this transition, opacity, let me see. I forget how to do this. I did this in some of my other apps, where you can like animate the view in. I'm gonna reference one of my old apps for doing that like transition animation. Let me take a gander over at one of my meme apps. Let me see. So, I think I did it. Where did I do this? Let me see. Yeah, it's on my personal GitHub, so I don't wanna leak it. So I'm looking on my other computer. Ah, here we go. It's dot animation, and I can do ease in out, and I can put a duration here. And let's see, does this kind of work for what we want? If I click, oh yeah, kinda. I think so. Yeah, that's good. Oh, but they want us to use animation with value. This is deprecated. How about? Yeah, I don't want to use something that's deprecated. Use with animation or animation value. What is value? Like a boolean? I mean, that still works. So, okay. I'm not sure if that wasn't really needed. Okay. I think that's all right. Yeah, I think it's good. Let's see how this looks in the actual shop view. So, oh, that's really small. I don't want that to be so small. Yeah, that's tiny. At least it goes away if I go to the other tabs, though. Yeah, it's quite small, though. Okay. And I'll just increase it in the, increase the size here. So where do we set the frame? I think here, right? Let's make this a 1.5 and a 1.3. And take a look in the shop view. See what that does. Ah, that's a bit nice. A bit better. A bit more nice. And then... what else do I want? How about I increase the font size a bit there? So instead of 22, let's do 32. Yeah. I think so. Yeah, also I need to make that ray gun spaced out. Let's see. So... yeah, I want to fix that ray gun thing. I think that's here. Name is ray gun. Yeah, I need to make the display name different from the image name. Yeah. Now where am I putting the image here? Select weapon view. And then... ah, here we go. Yeah, so I need to make the display name different from the... Like, these two names need to be different. So I'll say image name and display name. I'll pass that in. So for our upgrades, we'll have, instead of name, we'll say display name, and we'll say image name. Yeah, that's better. Now this can be display name, and also image name. Yes. Uh-oh. That's a lot of red. I didn't mean to do that. Display name, image name. There we go. We'll get rid of the red soon enough. Yes. So we have bat and bat, sword and sword. All right. And then same here. We'll have, what was it? Slingshot and slingshot. And we shall have, what is this? This is bow and bow. This is ray gun with the space, and this is ray gun without a space. Yeah. Yep. This is slingshot and slingshot. Cool. Alright. Now we'll say this is display name. Yeah. I'm actually wondering. I have a better idea for this code. This names code. Here's what I'll do better. Where did I do that? That was here. Let me undo all this actually. Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll say name. This will be alt display name. This will be a string optional. Yeah. And then I'll pass that in for ray gun. This will be ray gun. This should actually be nil. And then in our, whatchamacallit, that's just a temp bug. In here, I think, yeah. So here we'll say, weapon details dot alt display name does not equal nil. Use the alt, or use weapon details dot alt display name. Otherwise, use the name. Cool, that should fix that without so many code changes. Yeah. Oh. Result value. Ah, that should be this. Cool, now let's check in the shop. Ah, there we go. Now we've got a space in our name. Oh, but not there. Uh-oh. Then let's change it in our pop-up as well. Which is... I think here we did the pop-up. Oh no, we did it in our... here. So... yeah, here we go. So we want to do this check again. So... yeah, so if alt display name does not equal nil, I'll use the alt display name. Yep. Wait a minute. What's going on here? Can't force unwrap non-optional type. Oh, really? That should be... binding string optional and binding string. Wait a minute. Oh, I see a problem. I see a problem. Oh, I can do wrapped value, I think. Yeah. That's what I needed. Oh no. Wait. Oh, this is a little awkward. So I can't do this. Can't force unwrap. Oh, I see, okay. Should I make this optional then? This item to purchase. Name. Nah, that doesn't make sense. How should I go about this? That's a bit awkward. What if I did this? Something like that. I don't know. Comparing non-optional value to nil always returns true. Oh, what? This is non-optional? What? If weapon pressed alt dot display name dot wrap to value. Alright. That was weird. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that fixed it. That was a bit weird. Yeah, also I noticed when it first shows up, like the pop-up first shows up, it like does some weird update thing. Oh, I know why. Because of the default that I set here. Yeah, okay. Let me set this to like 20 then. So that doesn't like move. Yeah. Okay, I think that's better. Cool. Now, let's see. How's this looking? This is good. Now I kind of also want to give like a shadow to the shop view, the shop tab view actually, when the pop-up is showing. So they're kind of incentivized to make a decision or not. Also, should the yes button be on the left? Maybe. I'm actually not sure. What's the standard? Purchase bow, no, yes. I feel like that's fine. Yeah, let's make it like shaded when this pop-up is showing. So to do that, I think what I can do is I can overlay a black rectangle and give it some opacity on the shop tab view. Yeah. So, oh, but actually, that'll be kind of hard to do because I don't have access to the variable from here, or to the view. How do I do this? I could. Oh, I have an idea. I can do this actually. I just need to do this. I need another state variable. It should be called is pop-up showing is a bool set to false to begin with, and then yeah, we need whatchamacallit, like a shaded thing over our thing. I think I did this in my Mango app. Let me take a look at that one. This one I can actually show on stream because it's on my regular GitHub. Yeah, let me go to that. So yeah, here we go. I'm gonna yoink some code from my old project, which was this one. Wherever we have I think it was, where did I put that? Was it this one? I feel like it was. Game view. Yeah, here was where I put it. I need this. Yeah. So we'll copy this. And yeah, and put the other thing in a Z stack. Yeah, so let's put this in a Z stack. And yeah, let's do that rectangle thing. So yeah, this should be is pop-up showing. And then let's see what happens if we set this to true. Oh, that kind of puts it over the whole thing. That might be overkill. It's also not really making anything dim. Is that because... I think it's because we need to put it above? Ah, there we go. But it's like, it's dimming the entire screen. Oh, because of this. Yeah, because of this. So for here, we just need to pass in content size dot width and the height. Ah, okay. Now it's like, doesn't seem to be quite the whole size, actually. Why is that? I guess it's tab width. Maybe we need to add that content size width plus the tab width. Ah, okay. Now it's still a bit big though. Tab width divided by 2? I'm missing something. Tab width divided by 1.5 or 1.75. Let's see. 1.5. 1.75. I have a 1.2, or like, divided by 2 seems to be too little. 1.9. Then I do 2. It's like so different. Maybe I don't want to do ignore safe area. Maybe that's part of the reason. Ah, yeah, there we go. Okay. So let's set this back to false. And let's see. So we want to pass this in our, like each of these views, we want to pass it. So let's pass in is pop-up showing. We'll pass in that variable. And then in our upgrades view, let's get our new binding var is pop-up showing bool. And then well, I guess that's the same as this did press purchase, right? Yeah. So then we can just reutilize this binding, and then I can pass this up, I think. What's this? This needs to be bool. And then we pass this up to our shop view, our shop tab view. So did press purchase. So did press purchase. Okay. Yeah. Now let's see. Now let us see. Uh-oh, it's not showing though. Oh, that's because we're in our upgrades view. But if we go to our shop's tabs view, one view up, then we should have access to this. Oh, but it's... Oh, there's a couple of things going on here that's not right. It should not be putting the shaded thing over this. And also, I can't press these buttons anymore. Okay. I see. Let's see. So, if that's the case, then I need to move this out of here into the other thing. Yeah. Okay. So then, how to do this? Let's first take out this. and put it here, like above this rectangle. All right. And now we need to pass in the size here. Content size. And then we're missing this. So instead of weapon pressed, we need to pass in, I suppose. Ooh, okay, this is gonna be kind of hard to do. We need like some generic value. There's gotta be a better way. I don't know. Okay, okay, I think there's a better way. I can move those two variables out and just say like pop-up display name or pop-up name and pop-up cost. Yeah, I think that'll be better. So let me do that. Add state private var pop-up pop-up item name string. I'll say slingshot to begin with. Add state private var pop-up item cost is an int. Say 20 to begin with. Yeah. And so instead we'll pass this here. Pop-up item name and pop-up item cost. Actually, let me copy this just in case I need it. All right. Can't convert string to binding. So let's do this. All right. That's okay. Now I just need to update these variables in our, whatchamacallit, in our subviews. So in our upgrades view, we need to update these variables. So where will that be? That will be here, I think. Or here? Maybe it's here. Yeah, let me also check something. Okay. Oh, cool. Yeah, I was just looking at something. All right. What to do here? How about... yeah, we need the two variables to be passed here. Yes, let me add them as binding. Binding var item. What did I call it? I called it pop-up item name and pop-up item cost. Pop-up item name string and pop-up item cost int. And then I guess I need to pass them down here. Yeah. So let's see. So that would be after this. Pop-up item name constant. We'll put slingshot. And pop-up item cost constant 20. And then we need to pass that here too. So pop up item name and pop up item cost. I think I need to put the $sign here too. Yeah. There we go. Now what to do? Let's see. That looks nice. It's not updating our value yet. It's kind of like flashing though. A little bit. I think it's okay. And then in our upgrades view, we need to pass those down here. Yeah. So I think what we can say is, yeah, we'll pass them down here. So weapon pressed. Are we using this? I don't think so. Yeah, not anymore. Weapon pressed. Okay. That's where we're using it. So I see. How to do this? I suppose we'll just pass in both of these variables down. I think that's fine. Instead of this, we'll say pop up item name. And maybe we'll pass it in, yeah, after did press purchase. So here, pop up item name will be this. And then pop up item cost. And I will copy this, put it, I'll get rid of this, and put it here. All right. That's okay. And then expected to convert extra argument. Yeah, let me get rid of this. And move this over here. All right. That's okay. And then we'll say this. Pop-up item name equals dot name and the cost. And we'll copy this over to, I guess that's it. Yeah. Cool. And now I think we need to also get display name rather. So if the display name weapon details list weapon detail index dot alt display name does not equal nil, then we'll use that. Otherwise, we will use the regular name. Cool. And then we'll just copy this over to, oh yeah, we're just using it in the one place. And force unwrap. There we go. I think we're good. I think we are good. Yeah, I think so. So let's test that out in our shop. So that's the bat and the sword. Cool. And we can't, oh, we can still click other things. I don't know if I want that actually. So how would I do that? I would have to make it so that once this is pressed, I disable tapping on the other views. Yeah. So for that, I suppose, I want to disable tapping just in this tab view. So if the pop-up is showing, then don't allow presses on the other things. Yeah. So that would be here. Not disabled. Will be based off of this. Yeah, I think that's it. And then, yeah. So if you press this, yeah, now I'm pressing on the tabs and I can't. I can still press this. I can still go back if I want. But yeah, now they're kind of like forced to choose yes or no, which I think is that makes sense. Yeah. Let me also make this a bit more narrow, I think. Or is that good? Yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah, I think this is nice. Alright, I think we're done with this upgrades view actually. The only thing we need to handle is like hitting yes and that'll like deduct from the top right our balance. And we can only deduct if we have enough gems, but we haven't actually implemented the logic yet for the user collecting the gems being stored or anywhere. That'll have to come when we do persistent storage, which I might do off stream because it's pretty boring. I might just like go over what I did at the start of some stream. But yeah, that should be okay. Cool. And then I also want to do, oh yeah, these buttons. Okay, I can't press them. I was a bit worried. Yeah, okay, I can still press these. That's good. Cool. And now, what to do? Skins. Yes, I need to work on the skins view. So let me do that. So, for the skins view, well, let's take a look at like what each of the views look like. Yeah, okay, so that's the regular view. Yeah, the skins view is looking a bit warped. Yeah, I don't even see the arrow here. It's like cut off. Okay. So, actually, I kind of want to give this its own background too. Like that dark yellow I had for the gems view. Let me do that real quick. Yeah, I think that'll look better. Yeah, so so what am I doing right now? I'm overlaying this with the text. I don't know why I'm doing that overlay. I have this highlightable button. Oh, and I overlay the button, that's why. Okay. Let me just put this whole thing in a Z stack then. Z stack. And then I need that colored thing that I want. So that'll go behind this. I'll have a rounded rect, and I suppose we can pass in a corner size bar. Oh, this is the gem row view. Okay, this is not... I thought I clicked on the... Oh, it's here, actually. Yeah, this is where I want it. Yeah, so then here I'll say Z-stack. And put that rounded rectangle with this corner radius. I'll say like 30 for now. And we'll do fill, what was it? I forgot what the parameter was for this. I had it somewhere else. I had it here actually. Fill, oh, and this is where you pass the color. And then the frame. Yeah, so let's do this. Fill constants dot colors dot medium yellow. Yes. And then I can put the frame on this. Yeah. Does that? I don't know. Actually, let me do this. And then I'll say times 1.1 and times 1.1. Okay. I don't know. Maybe it should be just a rectangle. I think that's okay. Now let's see how this looks on our shop view. Yeah, I think this is a little better. Yeah. Slightly better, I would say. Yeah. Cool. Now, well, now I kind of want to add it for everything. I like that color. Yeah. I do like it. I'm gonna add it to each of the tabs. So I put it on this gems view for now. Let me take it off. And then, yeah, let me just add it on this. Yeah, so this will go, where will this go? I suppose, it should go in the way back. Yeah. And I don't need this extra Z stack. But I do need content size. Oh, okay. No, it shouldn't go there. It should go inside here. Yeah, I guess, okay, I already have this. I guess I need another one here. And then I can maybe do times 0.9. I suppose. Yeah, how's that? That's a little... I mean, it works fine for this view. But then... Okay. Maybe a 0.95 or something. And a little less wide. So 8.5? Oh, also our rubies are getting pushed. Yeah, what's causing that? Oh, I think I messed something up in the gems view. Let me get our code back for what we had here. Yeah, okay. I think, I don't know what we did there, but yeah, let's undo that. And now, oh no, our gems are still, maybe I did something with the padding. Oh, that's a bit weird. Yeah, I'm also gonna increase this height even more. It's like 90, or maybe I should make it the same height. I don't know. Yeah, I'll just make it content size height. So now, I suppose that's better. Yeah. Maybe. I need darker separators though. Yeah, I don't know if I like it actually. A little bit. Yeah, Also, I don't know why those rubies are so close. I'm gonna increase the padding then on the rubies. I think that's in my gems row view. Yeah, I need to, wherever the padding is. Row size height times 6. Yeah, I suppose I'll do times 7 then. Yeah, it goes off on that view, but I think on the actual shop. Yeah, okay. Or times 6.5, perhaps. That'll be better. Let's see. Our gems view. Let's see. So, let's take a look. Wait, so times 6 overlaps. But times 6.5 is a bit too far. Let me just do times 6.25 then. And see. I suppose that's okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'll think about that, having like the extra background, I don't know. Let's see then. I'm taking a look at something. Yeah. Let me see. Okay. Back to this. So skins view. Let's make our skins view. I do like this pop-up, it's nice. Yeah, the skins view, we need to make this a bit better. So first things first, I think it's pretty big, so it's like pushing stuff off. So Yeah. Okay, this is fine. Our buttons are too big. So our back button. What are we doing here? Yeah, let me put this on the same line because it's kind of confusing otherwise. Yeah, like that. All right. So our arrow button should be the same height as our blank button. Oh, because we don't have a frame on this, I don't think. Yeah, let's put a frame on you. There we go. That's a tiny Yippee. He's all small. Yeah, let's make our button better again. Yeah, so our height should be and not so big. Skins view size dot height divided by like 6. Same for this. And this. There we go. That's a little better. Now this middle button should be wider. Yeah, so let's do that. Yeah, right now it's we set it to divided by 2 here, but we never did that here. Okay, that's better. How does that look already? Should be a little better actually. Our arrow's invisible though. I don't know where our arrow went. Where art thou, doth arrow? Thinking emoticon. Where has our arrow gone? Let me think. Let's see, so... Trying to think here. I wonder what to do here. Yeah, I don't know where the arrow went. Where art thou, arrow? Oh yeah, also I think we can get rid of this. Yeah. All this extra commented out code. Not needed. Yeah. So... Where is the arrow in our skins view? Yeah, so this is our skins view. Oh, it's because of opacity, I think. Right. I think so. Yeah, I think we... Yeah, what are we passing in? Let's see, so... Yeah, we're passing it in up here, skin shop tab view. Passing in just one skin. Yeah, so we should at least see the right button, I'm thinking. Because there's gonna be more skins. Unless... Oh, because there's only one skin, there's no buttons. Oh, okay. That makes sense, actually. Okay. But we need that button to be wider. Yeah, right now it's not so wide. Yeah, those rupees are moving around a lot. But in the actual shop view, that's where it matters. That's like the ultimate where it's gonna end up here. And that's a good position for those rupees, I think. Or maybe a little closer actually. I'm gonna modify that. Make this a 1. See that should make it a little better. Or what if I put it back to 6 where it was? Is it still gonna overlap? I had this at 6 and it was overlapping some stuff. Oh wait, it's not updating. Oh. I guess I don't know what happened before, but it's fine now. Yeah, this is okay. Yeah. Alright. So for this little Yippee, this little Yippee went to the market. What to do? What to do indeed? How about I'm not sure. I am not quite sure. I might push this to the bottom. These buttons need to be a bit taller. Yeah. So, how about I, so, let's think. Yerm. Thinking is a bit hard. Let's see, so we need to push, wait, first thing we need to do is increase the size of that button. I'm also gonna do this. Gonna decrease the size of the overall view. So we can kind of see things a bit better. Yeah. And then, oh, actually, what size are we passing in for our skins view? So we've got, this is our shop tab view. We're passing in the size of the screen divided by 1.5. And then here, what are we doing? So that's the size of the screen divided by 1.5. And then we further divide it here by 1.3 and 1.2. So, I suppose we could do 2.8 and 2.7 for our like testing purposes. Or maybe that's too much. Yeah, let's just do divided by 2 for now. And then I suppose we can make our buttons bigger. So, yeah, that should be here. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah, or we just need to make them taller, I think. Yeah, so this should be like maybe 1.5. And then, oh no, that's the width. This height. 5. Oh yeah, this height is off. And yeah, let's make this a 5 as well then, to match it. And then, yeah, I also need a spacer here. Yeah. And then what else to do? I need to do something else here. Yeah. How about what to do? I am doing some thinking emojis. How about, okay, so this is all our buttons, right? At the bottom. And we're pushing our skin to the top. So we do want to have this all the time. We also want to have text up here, right? The name of the thing. So let's say our text here will be it'll be skins 0 name Yippee. Oh, I see. We're using, okay. Now we need a display name for this as well. Var display name string. This can be optional. And we set it to nil. And yeah, what else can we do here? Yeah, what to do? How about let's say yeah, we do need an alt display name. Also, I don't know if I want to do this route. So what I wanted to do was basically have a whatchamacallit, a thing for all the skins. So we'll say this like colorful yippies for a skin. Actually, I'm not sure how to do this UI then. I wanted to do all the colors in one page, and then you can swap to a different, like cosmic yippee or something. I wonder. How to do this better? How about whatchamacallit? This is an interesting issue. So, I want to do this a certain way. Okay. I need like a string to identify each thing I'm on, but separate from the skins array. Yeah, so how about then let's think. let us do some thinking emoticon. How about what shall I do here? Let me see. So, if I were to perhaps control what Yippee is shown based off of a separate array, separate from the skins array, then how might I perform such a feat? I have an idea. I will do this. I'll make another array and I'll call it skin, like overall skin, or maybe current. I don't know how to name this. This will be like skin view views, skin view names. So be a colorful Yippies. Then we'll have, I don't know, because then so we'll do colorful Yippies, and then we'll do like, no, actually, no, I don't want that. Do I? Let me think. So, if I were perhaps to, let's say, so, that's like a design thing that I'm thinking about. It all depends. How do I design this? Perhaps what I can do is I can, let's think. So, okay. I could do this. That's kind of what I need to do, though. Yeah. So, I need separate arrays for the non-colorful Yippies and the colorful ones. Yeah, so this will be, I can have a skins array for the colorful Yippies. So I'll say colorful skins and unique skins. I have two separate arrays. And yeah, what I'll do is, oh, I need to pass them in too. Yeah, okay. Okay. That's okay. Colorful skins. And then unique skins. Yeah. All right. Cool. I think this is okay. And then, yeah, let's do this. All right. Maybe, yeah, like that. That's for our preview. And now, skin view names. Yeah, we need some kind of like array to control what we're looking at. It's like if our index is like 0, then show the colorful Yippee view. Otherwise, show the regular Yippee view. Yeah, so we need like an if statement like that. Yeah. So, and that'll just be like above the button. Yeah, we can keep this button here, but we need an if statement above it. It's like for this content. I think so. Yeah. Skin index equals... Okay, this should be, I suppose... This should be... unique skins plus 1, or unique skins dot count. Yeah. Or maybe... Yeah. Skin index... And then... Yeah, so instead of this, what we'll have is... it'll depend on whatever index we're at. So if skin index is 0, then what we'll do is show this. Otherwise, we'll show this. But this will be for colorful skins. This will be for the unique skins. Cool. Yeah, now we just need to pass in the colorful and unique skins here. This will be colorful skins. Yeah. And then this will be unique skins. Cool. What am I missing? This is skins view, colorful skins. Unique skins. Oh, did I mess up? Well, let me check the preview. Colorful skins, unique skins, skin view size. Let me just pass this in to the other thing. I think I'm missing like a comma somewhere. Yeah, I don't know. But I think we're fine now. Yep. Alright. Make this look a little prettier. Cool. Yeah. Now... I just say this. Cool. Now we can customize our views. That's good. Yeah, it just took a little thinking to figure out how we would do that. But we should be good now. Now for this colorful views, or colorful yippies. We shall have all of our colorful yippies. In fact, we maybe can pull this from constants. Or game constants. We should put it in a constants file though. Yeah. We should put it in here. Yeah, so let me make a models file for skins. Yeah. Let's do that. I don't even have a models folder yet. Yeah, we need that. Models. Wow, we've already been through 12 streams and we haven't made a models file yet in our MVVM project. Yeah, it's a bit... Oh, so I think this plist is extra. I don't think... Yeah, I don't need this. Alright. Then we can put a skins folder in here. Or skins file. Yeah. So where do we define skins? Up here. So instead of doing that there, we'll put it in here maybe. Because we're gonna outsource it. I think so. Yeah, let me make a Swift file and call it skin. Yeah. And then we can put a cost here too. Cost int. Alright. And then we'll define all of our skins here. Struct skins. Actually no, this will be an array. This will be an array. Our skins, or rather, static let skins be an array of skins. Well, because we still want to separate out the colorful skins from the regular ones, right? So it might be worth to what should we call it? Not combine them. Yeah. Unless we make a struct for combining them. I could do that. I just want to have them in a constants file. So let me say this. Struct all skins. And I'll have two variables. I'll have static let colorful skins be an array of skins. Static let unique skins be an array of skins. Alright. Cool. Yeah, also I'm gonna go to the Shadow Realm for a little bit. I'm lagging a bit. Yeah. Let me visit the Shadow Realm for ever so slightly. Indeed, I'm gone. Where have I gone? Let's see. Alright. Cool. I'm coming back. Yeah, I was lagging a bit, but I'm good now. Alright. So, how do we want to go about this? Yeah, I could put all this in a constants file instead of do this here. So, yeah, that should be alright. So, Yeah, let's make a constants file. We'll call this skin sets. And we'll make this the colorful skins and this one the unique skins. And I guess we can already do this here. So yeah, we'll just have our stuff defined here. And our models, we have skin. I guess we need display name and costs as well. So yeah. Display name. Are we missing some variables maybe? Display name should be like red Yippee. And the cost should be 20. And we'll just copy this over. I think this is good. Yeah. Like this. Oh, this should also be equals. As well as this. This should be Yippee Cosmic. This should be Cosmic Yippee. I kind of want to make this expensive. Maybe like 150 or something. Alright. And then we have blue, brown, gray, green, orange, pink. Okay. Yeah, so let's see. So blue, brown, gray. I think I had green. Pink, yellow, purple. What else did I have? Orange. Am I missing any? Definitely don't want to miss any. Brown, green, orange, pink, purple, red, yellow, blue. I do have the regular Yippee skin, which is white. Yeah, that one I just called Yippee. Let me put that one in there. Yippee. And I'll call it Original Yippee. Yeah, and I will name all these different. Blue, brown, gray, green, pink, yellow, purple, and orange. Yeah, and having them all be the same cost I think makes sense. Maybe we can make them all like 50 cost. Actually, well, 20 I think is good. It might be expensive to collect 50 rubies for your first skin. Maybe. Yeah, I think this is good. So let's pass that in. I think on our skins view, right? Or like in our preview, we can do constants dot skin sets dot colorful skins. And here we can do the unique skins. Yeah. And now I think in our shop tab view, we need this too. And unique skins. Oh, conform to array. Oh, okay. Yeah, we just need, yeah. Here we go. Alright. And then ideally, we'll put it to do here. To do. Replace skin sets with player data skins acquired, which is skin sets but with whether they have it purchased or not. Or maybe we can put the data in the same array actually. But then instead of game constants, I would want to put this under like user data or something. Yeah, maybe better to put that under like a player data or something. Actually, I think this is fine. Yeah. Let's say constants. Yeah, this is constants though. Should each skin be associated with whether the players bought it or not? Because that makes it more like player data instead of a skin constant. I feel like it should, because that would make it simpler. Yeah. Let's see then. Yeah, because we also want this data here, don't we? So I will put that here. Whether the players bought it or not. Yeah, I just feel like then it should go under some like player data array. Yeah. Or player data struct. And not in the constants file. Yeah. Game constants. And then... Okay. I don't know. I'll do this for now. Yeah, because we're not thinking about player data yet. We'll think about that later. We can refactor if we need. Yeah, for now, let's just focus on the UI. What are we missing? Ah, yep. Same thing here. Yeah. So... Alright. I think I just need to rebuild this. Product clean. Alright. And load this. Oh. Input file can't be found. Oh, shoot. I didn't mean... Okay. I was supposed to have that info plist. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I need to get you back, info plist. Let me create it. Info. Okay, it's back. That was a bit awkward. Hopefully our stuff loads. I didn't like delete all of our info plist properties, right? Surely. Oh, shoot. That was not a good file to delete. I might have committed it somewhere. Let me check my GitHub. Maybe I can pull it back from the oblivion that I put it in. Let's see. Oh wait, I didn't even push yet. Oh no, wait. I did, but it's a private repo. I'm gonna look off incognito. Let's see. So, do I have this plist here? Let's take a look. Did I commit the plist? I don't know, it's not looking good. It's not looking good, man. Uh-oh. That's not good. I don't see it in my GitHub. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's not good. How do I undo something I deleted? Yeah, I don't see that. What's this error? Build target. Build input file can't be found. Adventures of Yippee info plist. Let's see. I did add it back. And it was like empty before, if I remember right. Do I need to add it here? Let me try building on simulator. Oh, it failed. Uh-oh. What did it fail on? This debug info plist. Here's my other info plist. That's on the project. Yeah, I thought that info plist was not necessary, but I kind of like bricked my project. Uh-oh. I'm gonna restart Xcode. Maybe it's something it'll find it again. Let's see. Is this the end of the Yippee app? Nah, definitely not. And if we have to, I'll fix this off stream. Uh-oh. Yeah, bad stuff happening though. Let me check. Deleted info plist file Xcode. Oh, it's in the trash. Okay. Good. It should be in my trash. I think I see it. Yeah, I'm gonna move this to trash. I'm gonna bring this back. Here. I found it in my trash. Yeah. Is that... Oh, but it's still failing. Maybe it's not in the right place. Do I need it up here? No. Supporting? I usually put it under supporting. Uh-oh. Not good. Product. I'll do a clean build folder. So the clean is good, but the build is not good. Okay. Yeah, wow, this is unfortunate. Let's see. So, multiple commands produce this. Oh, here's the actual errors. Target has copy command. Plist to users. Target Adventures of Yippee project. Yeah, that was not a file to delete. Alright, So I've added it back. Do the previews work at least? Maybe. Oh, no. Uh-oh. We seem to have deleted a file that we should definitely not have deleted. Where art thou, deleted file? It's in my derived data. Okay. Let me check. I did check my trash, and I pulled it out of the trash, but I think the trash might have corrupted my file a bit. Or something. Let's see, so... Build input can't be found. What directory is it looking under? Yippee app assets. Under... let's see. Yeah, I've added it back. Maybe it's not in the right place. So... Should be under this folder. Yeah. Hey, move it back up here. And try. Clean this up. And build? Oh, no, not quite. A most unfortunate outcome. Okay. Let's see then. Okay, I'll fix that later, I think. Well, it's not really something I can fix later. If we want to keep doing the development. Let's see, can I bring this back from the depths? Just remove XML. Let me see. Xcode, preferences, locations. I'm checking online. Let's see. I'm surprised I didn't commit this file. I'm gonna check again. Yeah, let me double check, because I feel like I would have committed that. No, I didn't. Okay. Yeah, I'll commit it next time, though. Commit it to memory as well. Alright. Alrighty. Creating a new project. Oh, okay. I'll make a new Xcode project and I'll try and copy over that file. That's what they're saying. I should make a new Xcode project. And then... yeah, just copy over the file. Let's see. I'll just put it on my desktop for now. And then see where I get that plist from. Oh, wait a minute. There's not even a plist here. Interesting. Swift UI. Unless, okay. Maybe it's something in my build settings. It's like reading a plist when it doesn't need to. Packaging. Okay. I think that I need it then. Let me test in this other project I just created. Let's see. So So... Alright. Yeah, I might have to put a pin in that one. I'll put a pin in that one. And we'll come back. We'll come back and finish our skins view. Yeah, that's unfortunate, but yeah, it's a good lesson though. Don't delete the P list, because it was empty when I checked it. I remember, but I guess it was reading the reference somewhere in one of our derived data Xcode files. Yeah, I'll come back and fix it, but for now I'll end the stream because we can't do any more UI dev until this is fixed. So yeah, maybe we'll come back at some later time. Finish up the skins view. I might even, I don't know, maybe do another... because I did want to finish this weekend. So I might... Maybe I'll come back tomorrow to fix it. I don't know, we'll see. Either tomorrow or late next week. I shall see. See how I feel about it. Yeah, well, I don't know. Is there, can I still... I do want to fix it though. Yeah, this is a derived data file. I have an idea. I'm gonna go to this file on my computer and I'm gonna delete it. And I'm gonna rebuild this. Because I feel like that's what's causing it. It's like a out-of-date derived data. And I've deleted derived data before. Let me just do one final thing. Yeah, where is this folder? I don't think I have hidden files turned on. Let's see. So this is under my library. This is library. Let's go to there. Let me take a gander at the library. Wherever you are, Mr. Library. Yes. I think I do need to turn on hidden files. Let me see. Turn on hidden files. Mac. Open Command Shift period. Okay. That's good. Aha! Now I see my library folder. I'm gonna do a deletion. And do a little cheeky deletion of this derived data file that seems to be a bit corrupted. Perhaps the work of N'Zoth, the corruptor. Any WoW fans? I like WoW. Yeah, let's delete this. Ooh, I don't know. If I delete my derived data, will that be really bad? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna close my Xcode. I'm gonna delete the derived data. Boop. And I'm gonna go back. And I'll reopen the project. And I'll recapture it in my stream. Because it went away. And okay, let's see. So I'm gonna rebuild this. See what we get. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's still oof. Okay. iPhone debug, iPhone simulator. If I build it? Yeah, same thing, okay. Alright, I just wanted to test something to see if it'll work, but yeah, I'll put a pin in it then. And we'll come back to it at a later time. But yeah, for now I will finish up the stream. So yeah, thanks for watching part 12 of Building a Yippee mobile game abruptly ended. But we'll come back and we'll fix the things, and then we'll do some more shop stuff, and then probably finish the shop in the next stream. At least without the data stuff, but the UI, I think we'll be done. Yeah, with that, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next stream. Maybe either, I don't know, either be at the normal time, which is next Friday, or maybe I'll do an earlier one to finish up this shop view. Yeah, catch you later. Take care, and bye.